Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to know what version of Bambu Studio I have, you have. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now open the Bambu Studio and look at the very top left menu bar and click help. So we go here at the top, we receive file, click on it, and then what we are going to do. So next to it is this arrow pointing down, and right here you see help. Now select About Bambu Studio, so the last one, and a small window will pop up showing you exact version number. So for example, right here I have 2.8.2.61. So this one is the latest version, I think. And yeah, the same goes for the Mac users. Um, so you will click on Bambu Studio in the Apple menu bar at the very top left corner of your screen, and you will see somewhere around there select you will select about Bambu Studio, and the same pop-up window will appear, and you will see your version. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next